Today we're at Railway Manor in Cumber, a development of 6 only detached homes, bordered by mature stone wall and trees. Sites 1 and 2 are now sold and occupied, with sites 3 and 4 on release, with prices starting from 169,950. Each home comes with the added benefit of a full turnkey package throughout, and such convenience in Cumber Town Centre, an easy commute to Belfast. Please contact Colliers New Homes to arrange a sneak preview of our show home on 90244 000, or alternatively visit the website at colliersni.com.